Hey everyone, have you ever dreamed of having your very own robot friend? Well, get ready, because today we're going to meet a real one that's being built right this very second.
I mean, come on, have you ever wished you had a robot that could help you with your chores? Or maybe carry your super heavy backpack for you? I know I have.
Well, guess what? That's not just a dream anymore. There's a company building a robot helper for real, and its name is Optimus. Some people also call it the Tesla bot. Let's go meet our new robot buddy.
Okay, so what's the big deal about Optimus? What makes it so special? Well, you might be really surprised to hear that it's designed to be a lot like you and me.
You see, Optimus is something called a humanoid robot. Whoa, that's a big word, right? But don't worry, it just means it's shaped like a human. It's got 2 arms, 2 legs, and a head. Yep, just like you.
And because it's shaped like us, it can get around in our world super easily. It can walk upstairs, open doors, and even use the very same tools that we do. Isn't that just so neat?
So, who's making this amazing robot? A company called Tesla. You might have heard of them. They're the ones that make those really cool and super smart electric cars. But how does a robot like Optimus actually think about things? Well, the whole secret is packed inside its super-duper smart brain.
Optimus has a special kind of brain called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. You can think of it like a computer brain that's always learning new things and can make its own choices. It's the same kind of smarts they put in those Tesla cars to help them drive all by themselves.
So here's how it works. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, Optimus sees the world using cameras for its eyes. Then, it thinks about everything it sees with that powerful AI brain. And finally, it decides what to do next. See, think, and do. It's that simple.
And believe me, that AI brain is always thinking. It's making tons of little decisions that we wouldn't even think about. For example, when it goes to pick up a tool, it's probably thinking, okay, how hard should I grab this screwdriver? I don't want to drop it, but I don't want to break it either. All right, so we know Optimus is really smart, but what can it actually do with that brain? Come on, let's find out what kind of awesome jobs this super helper robot could have. Now, the most important thing about Optimus is that it's being built to help people. That's its whole job. Its main mission is to do the kinds of work that are really boring or maybe even a little bit dangerous for humans to do. What kind of jobs are those? Well, imagine it working in a big factory, moving super heavy boxes all day long. Or it could hand tools to construction workers so they can build things even faster. And you know what? It could do the same exact thing over and over, and it would never ever get tired. And now for the totally magical part. You want to know how Optimus learns a brand new job? It just watches a person do it. That's it. It's just like how you learn a new dance move or how to play a game just by watching somebody else do it first. I know this all might sound like it's from a cartoon or a movie, but it's really happening. So let's peek into the future for a minute and just imagine all the possibilities. Okay, so right now, today, Optimus is being built and is learning new things in a factory, kind of like robot school. But pretty soon, it'll start helping out in big places like businesses. And after that, who knows? In the future, it might even be helping out in our very own homes. Can you just picture that? A world with robots helping out everywhere, and then maybe, just maybe, one day, you could have your own Optimus robot helping you clean your room. Wouldn't that be the best thing ever? So I've got one last really big question for you. If you had your very own robot friend, just like Optimus, what job would you give it? Would it help with your homework? Or would you have it build the biggest, most amazing Lego castle in the whole world? The future is going to be full of awesome robot helpers. Just you wait. Thanks for learning with me today.